like this you will be building up your GitHub skill also. And also before starting is it is a very important as well as it is necessary skill to have in your career, as means while you are doing the projects over here, or you are means, or if any case you are being shifted out to the production application team. Okay, so there also you will require to adhere with the GitHub repo only. Okay, you are required to push and pull everything over GitHub, and means all the other developers will also be doing that. Okay, so that's why it is required to learn this skill as well as give this skill in your hand. Okay, so yeah, let me start with the topic. Just give me some minutes. If you haven't joined with your system, so please refrain joining with your mobile phones. Please join it. Please join here with your system. Okay, and yeah, we'll be continuing it in 1 or 2 minutes. If you haven't joined with your system, just switch your system. Okay. All right. I hope you all have joined with your system. If you have, if previously if you have joined with your phone, so I will start with the introduction on the GitHub. Okay, so GitHub basically having two things, Git and GitHub, two things. Okay, and the thing which you will be installing in your system, that will be Git. Okay, so what is that Git? So Git is basically a version control system used to track the changes in your code. Okay, it do helps us by saving different versions of the code, collaborate with the others, undo the mistakes if we have done, and also work on multiple features with the help of branches. Okay, so this is the Git that do helps in this all things, and by managing all the project repositories and the project document that you will be having and you are having while development. Okay, so next, what is that GitHub? So GitHub is basically a cloud platform that will just help us to host the Git repositories online. Okay, and it do helps us by that sharing the code with others, like you will be using that collaborators options that I will be showing, like how you will be collaborating. Okay, and also collaborate via pull request, that will also be there, managing the projects, bugs, tasks, everything over there. Okay, and also backup the Git project in the cloud. Okay, you will also be having a proper backup for your codes. Got it? So yeah, in short, Git is local tool to track the code changes, and Git do works offline. Okay, and Git is command line based. All right. And GitHub is the online platform to store the Git projects. Okay. And it requires the internet over there, and it is a web based with GUI, graphical user interface you'll be having. Okay. So that's all about a crisp introduction on the GitHub. Okay. And other than that, what I should do, man. So yeah, some of the things that you need to keep in mind, like it will also be asked in your interviews if it is if it will be happening for you. Okay, like about a crisp thing, like how a Git works and how a GitHub works, why we use GitHub, and what is Git, what is version control system, and what is local and distributed version control. Okay, so that all things you should know. Getting it? So now going up with the installation, I'll just quickly send you the link. And for the Windows, you can use that installer over there is 64-bit or 32-bit, anything according to your system. And for Mac OS, you can directly install the Git in your system by using the Homebrew. Okay, Homebrew, just write brew install Git. It will be installing the Git in your system and configuring it. Okay, so for both of them, I'm just quickly giving the link, okay, in the chat. Please go out there, download the Git, and install it in your system. If you face any difficulty on installation, please ask me here. Okay. So I've just given you the link for downloading the Git and installing the Git in your system. Just go onto this link if you means that is a Windows link. So here you need to install, you need to download the standalone installer. Okay, for 64-bit or 32-bit, means whatever you want. Okay. Go for Git for Windows X64 setup. Got it? That you need to download. If you have already downloaded and installed, just raise your hand over here. Okay. All right. So we have almost 55 people out of 200. So please, everyone, do it quickly. Just give me a feedback if you are facing any difficulty. All right,
Sir,
it's over 50%.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, could you share the link
Yeah,
again,
please.
sir? There was some
Okay.
issue. Yes, sure. Thank you.
Yeah, I've shared.
If you don't mind, can we proceed? Because we have already downloaded and there is a further process for
No, no,
installing. Uh,
yeah. Download and install it. Please don't wait for after downloading. Download and install it. That I've asked. Okay.
okay. Uh, uh, I stuck in the in some in a state where I have to select the components.
No,
There
no.
are
Just
check
if you
boxes.
are facing an yeah, just to share your screen. Okay, I will let you know like all the things, and everyone can also know that. Okay, just share your
Yeah,
screen
yeah.
once.
Okay. Can you give me access to share my screen?
All right. Just a second. Yeah.
Mm,
Now you can share.
no, still not allowed to share my screen.
Just refresh it, and I've already given the permission.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm unable to share my screen.
All right. So actually, I've already given the permission over here. I'll again refresh it. Yeah. So now please refresh or join in this meeting again. Okay. Just cut it and join it again. Okay. You'll be getting.
I have rejoined the meeting, but still the sharing screen is not allowed.
If you have rejoined, just tell me. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Now it's visible.
No, no, it's not allowed yet.
How can it be possible? From here, I have given the access.
I have raised the
All right.
hand now.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, from here I have given it for everyone. Okay. Now can you please check once? Like,
Yeah, I can. I can.
all right.
I hope my screen is visible to everyone now.
Yeah, it's visible. See,
Okay. So
uh, yeah, just to cancel it and do it from the beginning. Okay, just cancel it.
okay.
Cancel it. Yeah, yes. Yeah, just open it.
Link file.
Yeah. Next. Next.
In
Yeah,
this,
wait.
there are
Wait.
so many check boxes.
Yeah, so additional icons it is required. Check on that. First option. The first option, additional
Additional.
icons. Yeah, and this daily updates is also needed. Git bash profile onto the Windows terminal. Everything is needed. Okay, check all the boxes. Okay, go next. And here, yeah, don't create a star. No, you need to create. Okay, fine. Just yeah, next. Yeah, next. Yeah, next. Next. Yeah, next. Native server. Yeah, next. Next. Default term. Yeah, next. Next. Everything will be same as it is. Yeah, next. Next. Install.
Yeah, stuff.
Yeah, that's all you have to do.
There is only let me say additional check boxes.
Yeah.
We
All
have to
right.
just
After
follow the.
Yeah,
Yeah.
after installing the Git bash will be launched. Okay, there you can check. Other than that, you can also check it by in your CMD as Git version. Okay, it will be giving you the
Mm,
version. Okay, and if you haven't checked on to that boxes, then you can't launch the Git bash over on any folder. Okay, so that is
mhm.
recommended. All right. Yeah, that's the only process that you need to do. Everyone needs to do. Okay, is there any doubt till now?
Excuse me,
Just
sir.
yeah, tell me.
Sir, I had already installed Git and I have
Okay,
a
fine.
GitHub account. Same as well.
All right, fine.
Is it enough?
Yeah, yeah, it's enough. All right, you
Oh,
can
okay.
unshare.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
yeah, I have a problem to choosing the default editor user by Git.
Sorry.
Hi sir, I installed and completed the installation,
All
but
right. Just wait for.
sir, I didn't give uncheck that one. I
Okay, you
didn't
can
check
just
that one.
yeah, you can just retry it again. It will be asking you, and after that you can do it. Will rewrite your installation. Okay, don't worry.
Good evening, sir. Hello.
Yeah, please tell me.
Sorry, sir. I just joined. I am so busy in another task.
All right.
Can you
All right. The
share
recordings
the?
are available. You can go with that. Okay, don't worry.
Okay. Where is available, sir? In
Sir, can we proceed for further step after the installation?
Yeah, Tosif, you can unshare.
I was thinking that after finishing that this installation, we can see further process for everyone.
No, no, no. Nothing will be there. Just finish it, and it's fine.
Fine, fine. I'm saying.
Yeah. All right. So now we'll be go on to the practical part. I'm just sharing my screen. So here you can see my screen will be visible. In this system, particularly multiple accounts is there. I'm using multiple accounts in this system and how to change that actually. So for changing it, you just need to go out here, uh, credentials, and here you need to open the credentials. Okay, and the credential manager will be opening, and here you will be finding. One second, I'm just showing you. Yeah, like this. Here you'll be finding the GitHub. Okay, like this GitHub. If you are using multiple accounts. Tausif, your background noise is too much. Please mute your mic. All right. So basically, if you are using multiple accounts in your system, So you can just means remove your first account, primary account, and log into secondary means account from this panel. Okay, that is the credentials manager. Got it. So I am currently I will just remove all the accounts. Okay, this is particularly a demo computer. Okay, so basically I'll just demonstrate like what are the things that are there. So like this, you will be having your means GitHub repo, means not repo, your GitHub account. Here you will be having the repository. So like this, it will be visible. One second, like this. Okay. So means how you will be creating your repositories first. So I will just make this thing a lot bigger. All right. So now I will show you like go on to this repositories, and after that click on to new, and here you can create your repository by these two steps only. It is very easy. Just you need to look out these steps and that's all. Okay. So here, let's say I will just post this particular code, means this particular folder structure, okay, over in this repository. Okay, so I'll just write the name of means what is available in this repository. Okay, let's say it's the QR generator. Okay, that's complete app of bar as well as uh, square QR. Okay. So these are the things that are necessary for you to fill also, because there would be multiple projects in future which you will be contributing. And if by any chance, if more than one application is means having same type of things, okay, then it will be a problematic situation for you to distinguish. So that's why you should write the description properly, and also you should name it unique. Although it will take the unique name only. Okay, and for now let's be it in public, or you can keep it private also. Okay, that is completely up to you. So I'm making it private. Okay, so in private repository, this particular repository will be visible to you. Okay, and whom you give the access on. Okay, and for the public, anyone who is visiting on your profile, on your GitHub profile, they will be getting this repository access over there. Got it. So like this it is there, getting it. So that's how it will be working. So now just click onto this create repository, and here you are getting all the instructions that you are required to follow. Got it. That's all you need to do. So for following this, I will just give you a demonstration like how you will be sending this particular code over in this GitHub. Okay, I'll just quickly give this thing. Yeah. Okay. So basically what we'll be doing, the first thing here, you are having the source control panel. Okay, so here what you need to do, you need to just give some steps like what is not written over here. Here it is written as git init, just write it as it is. Okay, that's all. It will initialize the repository and track all the changes and all the folders that are there. Okay, this is the first step, and after that the second step is git add and dot. It will be adding all the folders and everything over onto the staged area. Okay, staged area means it is totally ready to be sent out to GitHub. Got it. So git add and dot, and that's all. And you'll be having this all the things in the staged area. That is not written over here, but that is also a step. Got it. Just press enter. That's all. It is in the staged area. You can see over here. Okay, now what you need to do, just strip it. Don't, it is not required to add the readme file over here right now. Okay, you can just go with this command. Okay, just git commit and your first commit. That's all. Okay, so here you can see your commit means you have committed all the changes, and it is now ready to be sent out to this particular location. This particular the location of this repository. Got it. So that's all. So after that, just give this command as it is, what is written over here. I'm just copying and pasting. It's such easy. Okay, that's it. And after that, you need to give the a remote access. So for remote, sorry, yeah, a remote access, that also you need to give, yeah, this only. Okay, that's all. And git push origin mail. Yeah, that's all. Okay, it will be sending you the code onto this origin. And right now, I'm not having the uh, logged in over here, so I will just quickly log in. Okay, so I will just do what? Sign in with a code. Okay, so if I go on to sign in with a code, I'll be getting a code over here. This thing, I will go on to this link. Okay, uh, 1 second. I'll just go on to this link, paste it over here, and that's all. I'll just continue with it, and we'll just paste this particular code that is there over here, and that's all. I will be continuing and authorizing the Git ecosystem. That's all. And here it will be asking out the password. Just give the password and confirm it. So now automatically you can see it will be resolved, and here you can see the code that we have asked the system to submit it over there in this repository. It is sent successfully. Getting it? If I refresh it now, the whole repository that is over here, that will be coming over here. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine?
Yep.
Got it? Any doubt is there till now for initialization with the GitHub repository? You can tell me. Any doubt regarding that?
Sir, where are you uploading this recording session?
You will be getting the recording. Just focus on the thing that we are discussing. No, what we are discussing. That's all. Okay, you will be getting the recording. Don't worry about it. Have you understood this thing?
Yes.
Yeah, for
Yes.
IntelliJ
Yeah.
Eclipse,
Yes, sir.
any of the ID, it is the process is same. Yes, all right. So next thing, what I will be going to take to you, like, yeah, you have done the thing. The first thing means here you can see nothing changes is there. Your first commit you have done. Everything is running fine. Okay. So now you have changed something in your code. Let's say I'm just deleting these all comments. Okay. I'm just quickly deleting these all commits. Okay. Got it. Anything, whatever you do, it will be tracked over here. You can see there is some changes in style.css. So now I want to send these particular changes onto my repository. So how I will be doing? Process is very simple. What you need to do here, you can see. Okay. Only two process: git add and dot. Got it? It is added to the staged area. Now git commit -m and write the message as what you have done. So I've removed the uh, comments. Got it? That's all. Just enter. It had tracked like one file changed, 4 deletion. That's all. So just git push. That's all. It will be pushed onto the repository. Got it? Here, if you go on to the code, you can see the removed uh, comments. This is there, and if you go on to the commits also, there is 2 commits tracked. Okay, so like this you can share your then so the changes over to the GitHub. Okay, so this thing is clear. All
Yes,
right,
yes.
now we'll be
Yes.
going on to the collaborators part. Okay, so let's go on to the collaborators part. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, so we have 2 accounts. Okay, here you can see it's a fresh account for the Infotact, and it's a demo account for the trainings. Okay, both are demo only. Okay, so let's say I want to add this particular account. This is my team member, and I'm the team lead. I want to add this particular account over in this particular repository. Okay, so that's the case. Just go on to the settings, go on to collaborators, and here you can see the add people is there. Here you need to write this thing. uh, the username. Okay, that's all you need to write it over here. You'll be getting the account visible over here. Okay, this thing is unique for everyone. Okay, what you need to do, just click on here and add as this. Okay, so it is under pending invite, approval is required. So here I will just refresh it. Here I will be seeing one notification coming. Okay, it has not came yet. Yeah, so we have got the notification. So it will take some time, so that's why. So here what you need to do, the thing, just look it carefully what your team members need to do if you are collaborating with someone. Okay, just click on this. You will be having this thing like for accept invitation or decline invitation. So you need to accept it, and after that, here you are having the repository that is visible, that is the parent repository. Okay, but you are not means you will not be allowed to change onto the parent repository. You need to have this in your repositories. Okay, so for that, what you will be doing, clicking onto this fork button. That is important. This step is very important. Okay, just click onto this fork button, and nothing you need to change, just create a fork. That's all. It will create a copy of that particular repository in your repositories, so that you can install it, download it in your system, and contribute on this project. Getting it? So you can see here in my repositories, I'm having this particular thing over here. Got it? Is
Yes.
there any doubt till now? Now, if I refresh it, so it will be here as contributor. Okay, it will be removed. See here is the collaborator. So like this, you can collaborate with the teams. Got it? And what the developers will be checking, the insights. Okay, if you go on to insights, if you go on to insights of this also, so whatever the thing is there, like the Fox and okay, it is asking for the Pro
Sir,
one,
one doubt.
so it will not be visible. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, what is the purpose of collaboration, sir? If that collaborator members are working simultaneously in single project as well?
I'm not getting a question. Please come again.
Sir, what is the purpose of collaboration, sir?
So collaboration means multiple people can work on a single
Working on
project
same project.
simultaneously. Yeah. So
The
yeah,
people
a
working in
team
same
of,
project.
yeah, yeah, that's the meaning of the collaboration. Okay,
Okay, sir.
means there will be 4 members or 5 members in your team. So everyone will be contributing onto the same project, so that that particular project will be built fast. Getting it?
Okay, sir.
All right. So that's all about the things. And I will be sending you a document in which all the commands and everything will be written. Okay. And one more thing, yeah. So if you want to download your project, okay, if you want, means you have, let's say you are a means team members, you want to download this particular project in your system and start collaborating. So how you will be doing it? You will be using the bash. Okay. So how you will be using? Just copy this particular link, and how you need to launch your git bash. Go on to your home screen. Okay, or anywhere wherever you want. So more option here you can find, this is there, open git bash here. Okay, so if you open it, you'll be having this thing visible. Okay, so I'm opening it once again. Yeah, this thing visible. Here you need to write just simple as git clone, and just you need to paste the link over here. Okay, currently my system is synced with which account, I don't know, this one or this one. So it will prompt you like, if I'm not signed in with this account, then it will deny. Okay, yeah, it is it had done. Okay, so the repository that needs to be there, that is over here only in my, due to security it is not visible. Okay, yeah. So like this, you can download your project, clone your project in your system, and use it. That's why only this bash is being used. Okay, so that's all you are required to know till now. And yeah, one more thing, the pull request. Pull request means what? Like whenever let's say your team member has done any changes over here, okay, let's say anything over in this script, okay, anything you have changed, he will be pushing it, and from here he will be clicking onto this contribute and clicking onto the open pull request. That button will be visible when you commit something in your database. Okay, this button will be visible as means create pull request. You need to create the pull request so that that pull request will be coming onto the parent account, that is this one, and the admin will be approving it, and after that it will be synced onto the main branch. Okay, so if I talk about the branches, so why branches are being used. So if let's say you are developing a complete e-commerce platform, okay, there someone is working with the products part, someone is working with the profile part for the user management, someone is working onto the means inventory management portal. So everyone is working on their own. So let's say if person A has developed the inventory management completely and it is completely running on production, but the team wants to change on something, okay, so then what you need to do, you are not required to do any of the changes in this script which is completely running. There comes the branches. You'll create a new branch like this, let's say master, okay, source is main, so you'll be creating a new branch, the new branch will be created. So here in the master, this will be the exact copy of that main branch, okay, you can just clone this thing and you can do the changes over here. If it is running, then you can send it to the main, okay, that is default. Okay, so after you send it to the main, then CI/CD will run again and it will give you the update that you have given out to the main repository, okay, means the main branch. Got it? So that's why for that case it is being used. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, fine. So that was all about the basics as well as the practical part of the GitHub. That this much only you need to know and you need to practice these all things, and that's all. Okay, and all the other that commands and everything. So that is very big repository. Okay, that we'll be sharing it after this meeting to you all. Okay, just go with that, go with these steps, and also the recordings will be shared. So just go on with the recording as well if you have any confusion. Okay, and other than that, the document that will be shared by the company, just go with that and practice it one or more time, means at least 10 to 12 times. Okay, so that it will be clarified like how actually it is working and why we are working on it. Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All,
Okay, sir.
Yes,
all
sir.
right. All
Sir, I
right.
had a question.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, the thing is, I prefer to do most of my operations on the WSL command line. So would that be a problem?
No, no, that is not a problem. This is the actual production way to do these things. Okay, so if you are comfortable on doing by anything, that is completely up to you. Okay, if you know this thing and doing on the other way, then it is fine. If you don't know these steps, so just try it once. Okay, just
Ah,
learn this
all right.
also. Okay, and do whatever you want. Got it?
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Because under the production, if something is happening, so that will be your call, no, so then you need to explain out that all stuff. So that's why
Yes, absolutely.
you need to learn the production things first. Okay, prioritize that. Okay, which the person are using in production. Got it? Yeah, that's
Thank you,
all.
sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Any doubt, guys?
Okay, like I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Um, if the main person who is maintaining the project, if he
Yeah.
receives a PR and he wants to check the code and need to approve, right?
Yeah.
That's what he used to. But by the time does he need to pull down the code? How does that work?
No, 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 basically I'm just sharing once again.
Okay.
uh, Great question actually. So here you can see the rules. Rules is there. Okay, under the rules, if you say you can act means add some rule sets. Okay, new branch or new tag, anything. Okay, here on the action means like what means when you are applying the rules over in the repository. No. So then you can do by default, it is there like your team members can also merge their code directly onto the main repositories of the team lead. Got it. So for blocking that, for checking that, you can add some rule sets over here, like while means the any of the person is means let's say committing any changes and pushing a pull request, that will be verified by me, and after that it will be merged onto the main branch. Okay, that you can do. Got it. See here, it is there. No, if you check onto this, then check out this, then your teammates who will be there, who will be contributing, they will be creating the pull request, and you will be judging that pull request, like is it valid or not. And after that, if you find it is a valid merge, if it's a valid thing from your teammate, then you can merge it. If you find like, yeah, no, it is not working and it is not correct, then you can directly reject it from your panel. Okay,
Okay.
got it. So this is the thing that you know to check out. And also, if you need more things, you can add some rule sets from here. Okay, just go on to there and you can add some rule sets over here. Okay, new branch rule or new tag rule set, anything. Okay, that's completely your call.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, the merging will be done by the teamlet from Infotact or by us?
Which one?
The merging, sir.
Which one?
Merging the code, sir.
Merging means you will be, see, you will be creating, means if you are of four members in a team, one of your member will be the team lead. That will be decided by you who will be the team lead. Okay, and he will be initiating a repository and collaborating all the team members over in that repository. Okay, so your team lead will be responsible for doing this all merging, and if he wants, or other than that, if he is ready to be merged, like he can, means he can put some rule sets like this. Okay, and he can check also like whatever the merge that are coming from their teammates, that is correct or wrong. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, if you have done something wrong, if you want to roll back, that is the prime feature for the GitHub. That's why we are using the GitHub. So for that, some commands are there, git rollback or like that. Okay, that will be shared to you in that document. You can check it once. Okay, on that document it will be there. Anything else,
Hello, sir.
guys? Yeah, tell me.
Sir, what if the two person working on the same file and then sending a pull request and merge conflict happen?
Yeah, merge conflict, if it is happening, then you will be getting two different codes for single file. Okay, then the team lead is required to see both of the codes which is running and which part is right, and merge the fresh one. Okay, on that editor only you will be getting the editor over in the GitHub also, and other than that you can get the editor on the on your VS code also. Okay, the both the codes that is there. Okay, there the merge complete is happening. Got it. You just need to check both the codes, and whatever that is useful, that you see like, yeah, it is useful, that you can keep it over there, and rest all merge it. Okay, just there will be a button for the merging the means conflict. Just if you click onto that button after editing that all things, it will be merged successfully. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, anything else?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
What is your GitLab used for?
GitLab is basically, means what can I, how can I say, means let's say that's a AI powered DevSecOps ops actually. Means so that is means how can I explain you like right now. So if you want to secure your software faster, no, means if you want to secure your software, or else if you want to means go up with something like means a comprehensive platform where you can get your codes and everything, and track your development life cycle, entire software development life cycle. For that it is being used actually. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What about the project data, sir? When we will get the project data?
Project data means
The CSV files and all.
once again please. CSV
The
files
CSV files.
for data analytics and that all, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you will be getting by a trainer only. They will be providing you.
Fine. We will see the recording of this session and
Yeah.
then parallel, yeah, create
Yeah, yeah.
the and get
Yeah, just get comfortable with this, okay, because it's a very important skill that you need to have. Okay, get comfortable with this. All right, then you can drop off from the call if you don't have any doubt. Other than that, the session is over. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 Hello, sir. Are you there?
Yeah, please tell me.
Yeah. Like I'm from web development. We have received the project details.
Okay.
May I know when should we start working on the project?
If you have got your project details now and your team details, you can start.
Okay. And how
Don't
about
wait.
the UI?
Yeah, UI
UI
part.
part,
Yeah,
will I
that is
manage?
completely on your call only. That means there is no strict Figma or something that will be given to you for this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
weekly, which day you are conducting the section, sir?
For each section, you will be getting the links before 3 to 4 hours. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, where can I get the recording, sir?
Recording will be shared to you by our admin. Okay. Don't worry.
Yeah, thank you, sir.